Hello, this is Aaron from OneSideZero.net, and right here we are at the Xiaomi 13 series launch. When it comes to Xiaomi 13, obviously we are talking about phones.
No shit.
But apparently this is much more than that.
Bullshit!
So let's have a quick look. So right over here, we do have the Xiaomi 13 Pro, which is this year's flagship offering from Xiaomi. This time around, Xiaomi has collaborated with Leica to co-engineer the lens that we can see over here. So a bit about the specification and the characteristic. The difference between Xiaomi 13 and Xiaomi 13 Pro is the Xiaomi 13 houses a 50 megapixel camera, while the Xiaomi 13 Pro houses a 200 megapixel camera, both of which is co-engineered by Leica lens. The Xiaomi 13 Pro is much bigger in screen size and also body size when it comes to the standard Xiaomi 13. The screen size of the Xiaomi 13 Pro is a 6.73-inch AMOLED display with LTPO. So the difference in comparison to the Xiaomi 13 is this is a 6.36-inch AMOLED display but without LTPO. However, you still get the same high refresh rate of 120 Hz. You do have the optical fingerprint scanner on the screen located below here. So when it comes to the processing power, this is actually powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, one of the latest processor Qualcomm offering for this year. So besides that, you will also get a minimum of 12 gigs of internal RAM and also 256 gigs of internal storage. Now that is just the base internal storage. There will be a 512 gig internal storage option as well. So when it comes to charging, of course this is USB-C based. However, the downside is this is actually USB-C 2.0.
That's impossible!
Search your feelings, you know it to be true.
No!
Alright, next up, we have the Xiaomi Watch S1 Pro. This is no stranger because not too long ago or a few months back, the S1 has been launched and this is the S1 Pro. So as far as we know from the specifications apart, this is a 1.47-inch smartwatch as you can see over here. So we also know that this supports a heartbeat sensor and also SpO2. So that as much as we know, this is the S1 Pro. So just now we have talked about the Xiaomi 13 Pro as well, the S1 Pro watch. So let's talk a little bit about this Xiaomi 13, which I also have one. Xiaomi 13 and Xiaomi 13 Pro, the biggest differences, like I mentioned previously, is about the screen size and also the camera lens. So do not worry, you still get very good quality shot whether you are choosing Xiaomi 13 Pro or Xiaomi 13. So we have done talking about phones. Last but not least, let's talk about this new earbuds launch from Xiaomi. This is the Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro, the successor to the Xiaomi Buds 3 or Buds 3 Pro. As far as we're concerned, we can confirm this has ANC or active noise cancellation. So that's pretty much about it over on the smartphone side and also its accessory. So stay tuned to our webpage, stay tuned on our YouTube channel. This is Aaron from OneSideZero and I shall see you in the next one.